You good?
I'm good.
I gotta
I'm fine.
go.
I know.
Are you sure?
Positive. What's
Okay.
on your plate today?
I've got the board meeting, investor dinner, and then I'll be back tonight, but I gotta pack for a trip to Houston.
Okay, I got you. I promise. Everything's under control. We are fine. We'll talk soon. I know we're busy.
Can you get it? Okay.
Yeah, got
All
it.
right.
Got it. Talk to you soon.
All right.
Be safe.
You too.
Okay, so we got midget football pictures later. Bunko that I got a plan at our house, of course, but we don't really play Bunko. It's a whole thing. And I gotta figure out this holiday lighting. The last thing he's gonna wanna do when he gets back from his business trip is deal with me and holiday lighting. Okay, so holiday lighting, come on, Google. Eikenbary Landscape Company. That looks like they do that. And some other services. Oh, and he's a handsome fella too. Hi.
Hi, Brett Eikenbary Landscape Company.
Hi, come on in. I'm Tish.
Tish, nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming, appreciate it.
You bet.
So holiday lighting.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Okay, let's talk. How does this whole thing work?
Well, wait a second, real quick here.
Sorry. Yeah, I got like 4 of them. Sorry.
Well, I see you have a lot going on.
Yeah.
So back to holiday lighting. What
Yeah.
was your question?
Like, do you get the lights? What do you do?
Yeah. So I'll walk you through a little bit exactly the process. So first step is exactly what we're doing now. We'll come out to your house. We'll measure, take some pictures, and kind of advise you in what direction we think you want to go.
All right, talk faster. I'm busy.
I can see that.
Okay.
Is there anything I can do to help,
No,
Tish?
I'm okay. What happens if they fall off? If the lights go out in the middle, you've already done it. I need to know. My husband's not gonna like fix them. We know he's not.
He sounds like a gem if he has to put up with this. Before we go any further.
What you got? Oh, I don't have time. I got 4 of those. I can't keep track of that kid. I got 4 of them.
I see that.
So what happens if they fall off the house, blow down, one of them lights go out, what happens?
We provide the maintenance and the service
Like it?
during the time that they're up.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So if there's
Got it. Yep. Keep going.
Okay, I just want to make sure you were understanding that service is provided by us. So if there's a bulb that goes out, or if the wind blows some of the strands down or anything along those lines, we'll come back and fix them.
Love
no
it.
cost to you.
Sounds mindless, easy. It's getting better and better.
Whoa. Tish. Stop. Turn the vacuum off.
Sorry.
gosh.
Sorry. Sorry. I got 4 of them. I don't know.
Where did that one come from?
I told you, I can't keep track of them. When do you put them up? When do you take them down? What do I do with them in between? What do I do?
We'll get them up for you for Thanksgiving. They'll be up through Christmas, and then in January, we'll come back, weather permitting, and take them down. And on top of that, we store them for you.
You store them. So
Yes.
basically, these lights are like off my property. I don't have to think about them until I hire you again next year.
Absolutely. We'll take care of everything for you.
Oh my gosh. It's a Christmas miracle.
Everyone has a lot on their plate during the holiday season, so let us take that one thing off of your plate so you can relax. Like Tish. Contact us on any of our social media platforms or get a hold of us at eikenbarylandscape.com for your holiday lighting.